Hello. Today we're going to learn how to fix a low battery or battery exhausted error message. For this, we'll need a Phillips PH2 screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Remove the 18 screws fixing the top panel. 8 at the top, three on both sides, and 4 at the back. Remove the top panel. First, we need to discharge the capacitors, and then we'll replace the battery. It's highly recommended to use a discharge jig like this to confirm the voltage change while carrying out the discharge. If you don't have one, you have two options. It's possible to make one yourself. Otherwise, ensure the capacitor body and terminals are completely covered with an adequate insulation material. Test the CR2032 battery and replace it. A low battery is less than 3 volts. A good battery is over 3 volts. Battery life is estimated at 4 to 5 years, but if the amplifier is not powered for extended amounts of time, it could be less. Replace the panel and screw the 18 screws back in. With the power connector unplugged, keep the encoder knob pushed in and plug in the power connector. While the blue LED ring is lit, press the encoder knob a further 5 times within 3 seconds. The screen will move to the service inspection mode screen. Wait 10 seconds. Push the encoder knob to enter the service diagnostic. Scroll down to the RTC menu and press enter. Turn and push to set the date and time. Then confirm by pressing OK. Once the date and time are set, push to go back. Scroll down to Return to Main and push to confirm. Scroll down to Statistics and push to enter. Go to Clear, push to enter. Go to the battery power off value and push to enter. Select Start and then push Enter to confirm. The battery value is now reset. Push to go back. Go to Cancel and push to confirm. Scroll to Return to Main and push to confirm. Go to Reboot and confirm. Choose Normal and confirm. Now the NXAMP turns itself off. The NX amplifier will perform a power cycle. Once it turns back on, the battery message will have been removed.